Hello, so let's start with our weight loss drink. So to start with, I'm firstly taking a half teaspoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds. So they are very rich in antioxidants, and it's very good for your diet too. So so I'm taking around half teaspoon of khaskhas. Yeah. To the khaskhas, I had poured half cup of water. So now this would blot in. So let's wait for 15-20 minutes. Next, let's take a juicer blender. So into that, I'm going to add few carrots. So I had taken 2 small carrots. I'm making this drink only for me. So I'm adding this. So I'd roughly chop them. So I'm adding that. Then I'm adding some ginger. So ginger I had roughly chopped. This is around 2 inch of ginger. So I had roughly chopped them. So let's add this. So ginger is very good for your immunity also. So this is both immunity drink as well as for weight loss. And carrot is also very good for weight loss. Now into this I am adding some organic turmeric powder. So turmeric is again good in weight loss and for your digestion also. So I have taken 2 pinch of turmeric powder here. So please use organic turmeric powder. So for better results. So add that. So now into this I'm adding some pudina and coriander leaves. So I didn't have a fresh pudina leaf left out. So I prefer you guys use the fresh ones. So that would be more effective in fact. So yeah. So next I'm going to add juice, the lemon juice. So I have taken half of a lemon juice. So let's add that. Lemon is also very good for weight loss, and also it's very good in boosting your immunity. So let's add that. So now into this I'm adding a little pepper powder. So this depends entirely on how much the quantity that you're making. So I have taken maybe around 4 to 5 pinch of pepper powder. It's very good in weight loss as well as for boosting your immunity. It's very good in digestion also. So let's add this. Last but not the least, some cumin powder. So here I'm using half teaspoon of cumin powder. So cumin is again good for your skin, your for your weight loss. It actually fastens your weight loss. So I'm adding that also. At the end I'm adding little water just to blend it out. Then later on we'll add more. So now let's cover this and blend it well. So this has finely blended. So now let's add more water into this. I'm adding around 1 cup of water. So now I've added 1 cup of water. So now let's blend it again. So now I have blended well. So let's transfer it to a glass. So our poppy seeds, khaskhas is finally ready. So this is the way you will have to do this. So I have taken a glass here. I am adding 2 tablespoons of khaskhas. So into this I am adding the juice. I am not straining it. So we don't lose any of the properties in any of those ingredients. So our drink is finally ready. You can have this for your dinner if you are planning to lose weight instead of having anything else. So if you are looking for only for immunity booster, you can have this. So I hope everyone would try this, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click the bell button.